how to use push to talk on the Nintendo Switch to Fortnite. So the first thing that you have to do is open up the game and press the plus sign here on your Nintendo Switch. Now we will press A and we want to go to the settings. Again, press A and go into the settings. Now from here we have to press the R button twice until we reach the communication page. Now click on A and you will see voice chat method here. Again, press A and you can change this to push to talk, and it's going to tell us that your microphone is only on and teammates will hear you when talking when you press and hold the push to talk button. It can be set in the controls tab. Now if we go into the controls tab here, we just want to go and navigate to the controller mapping. You will see push to talk here, or you will be able to find it from this screen right here. You can go through all of the different controllers and you can find your push to talk button here. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.